welcome back to a new travel vlog series. We are here in, if you can guess what city it is from that landscape, you'll definitely be able to guess from this. Estádio do Dragão. We are in Porto. I'm going to attempt to do daily vlogs for the next 3 or so days. I've dropped the battery. Estádio do Dragão, home of FC Porto here. And yeah, what a view behind me over there though, of Porto. So online it said stadium tours were free, which I thought sounded a bit weird, and why would they be? I asked at the desk, they said 15 euros per person, which seems like a much more normal. So we're not going to do the stadium tour, however, we are looking around. We've come up to the top of the stadium here and we have this incredible view behind us of the city of Porto, which we're going to go and explore later. Let's just see if we can get any other view of the stadium and then probably go to Burger King. Around the other side, we've actually found somewhere where we can see it now, which I'm very happy about. It's fine, I can get some kind of clips and photos of the Estádio do Dragão Porto Stadium. It looks really cool though, doesn't it? So happy to have gone to see some of it. So we've just found ourselves in, we're in like this food court area at the top of this incredibly beautiful shopping centre. I've got chicken quiche and apple tart for lunch, total of €6 from a shop called Vitaminas. Well, I guess I just want vitamins. Stadium there, Estádio do Dragão. We are staying at Hotel Moon and Sun in Porto in exchange for some photos and stuff, more client work. We're going to head there now. Check-in's at 2. It's about, I don't know, is it like 12 or 11? 12 midday right now. So we've got a couple of hours, but we thought we could go there, chill in the lobby if we're not allowed to check in early, and then get some photos of that area, stuff done early. So then we can head out once we've showered. I rarely use my GoPro to vlog, but it's actually really useful when I don't want to switch my wide angle lens. I'm taking photos here for this bag, which is client work for Tarion. It's an incredibly good camera bag, a bit small, but I'm going to pack everything in it for the weekend. Look at this view here. We didn't get to go in the stadium, but coming here turned out to be a good idea simply for the photos and views we've got here. On the Fujifilm X-T3 with the Sigma 1835 on the Viltrox EF to FX1 adapter. So we're at the Moon and Sun Hotel now, as you can see on the bar behind me. The rooftop terrace bed. Look at the view. It is absolutely incredible. You can see the from here. It's just a shame they don't have a pool, but when you got the scene just over there, I think it's a yeah, we're just chilling here for the foreseeable future. Head up the room in a little bit, shoot some photos of that, get the hotel then done, or some of it done, and then head back out probably. We don't know where. Well, where we could go. Yeah. Rooftop built hotel here. It's nice to hang out and work. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's kind of like March UK temperature, 12 degrees, sweater weather. But when the sun is on you, as it is right now, it can get quite warm. But with the cold. The evening now, we just got kebabs and fries at this little place on this street here. Yeah, they had like Portuguese football news on the TV, which I thought was quite cool when I was watching. But yeah, now we've had food, we're going to grab some stuff like drinks and stuff from the convenience store and head back to the hotel.